Hey everybody, welcome to the Lunar Lowdown with me, Sally Nurney. This is the lowdown for the full moon of Wednesday, October 24th, where we find the sun and the moon opposite one another, full moon time. The sun is in the beginning of the constellation of Libra, and the moon is directly across the way in the beginning degrees of Aries. For this moon cycle, we have a few bonus planets. The sun is standing conjunct Venus. The beloved moon is cozying up with Uranus, a pretty electric and explosive planet, both in Aries, the ram. Uranus craves change, and the moon is a moody one. With Uranus and moon together, we might find some emotional volatility this cycle. But keep in mind, Uranus at heart breaks down the old order, not destruction for destruction's sake, but to allow the new and more deeply authentic impulses to arise into being. Said another way, is emotional rebirth or radical new beginning. These two are over in Libra, the constellation of partnership, compromise, dynamic movement, dance in a balanced, beautiful way. And this configuration comforts me, balancing this emotional fire. So as I centered and asked the star beings what they wanted shared for this full moon, they reminded me that we've just come out of this beautiful new moon of stillness and centering. And they point out that we emerge out of this stillness into this explosive Aries and Libra full moon, which works us with the paradox between Aries and Libra, the ram and the scales. And remember that the sun and the moon themselves are diametrically opposed, the one who shines forth and the one who reflects. They strive for communion. Every full moon, we strive for communion between these opposing forces. And when we succeed, life force is engendered. And this is the foodstuffs for hope, positivity, enthusiasm, and uplifts our hearts. This fuel for our positivity is sorely needed now. We watch the natural world around us brighten and fall. We brace ourselves against the coming cold. We struggle with the shorter daylight hours. We sink down into the underworld with Persephone. Yet here, the star beings painted a different picture of this time, showing me the radiant light of love coming into these cozy, dark places. And we pause for a cup of warm tea, and we gather with our loved ones to hear about their day, and we nestle into the warmth of our beds and give our bodies just a little more rest at this time of year, because we are natural creatures, just like the world we live in. To weave with its earth rhythms is a part of being a human being. We can recognize that the world is thrusting events at us, one after another. But we can choose to integrate, and we must make the choice to do that integration, because the world keeps tumbling towards us. Partner with the natural world to refuel. The star beings gave this bottom line advice for this moon. If and when you feel emotionally explosive this moon, or events are coming at you in such a way that you feel taken by surprise, remember that flame of being that lives within you. Feel that at its core, it is a light of love. In your day-to-day, commit to that love in your actions, thoughts, and speech. tap into Venus in the heavens with the sun, reinforcing this inborn sense of beauty and harmony, and strive to radiate this warmth rather than reflecting back any disharmony that's coming your way. Each moment that you strive to engender positivity this cycle creates something. Yes, let us together use the flame of Aries to bolster our flame of being and move towards radiance, balance, brilliance together. Aho. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.